This video demonstrates how to unpack the Xerox C230 color printer. Place the C230 printer on the desktop. Using a utility knife, cut the tape on the left, top, and right sides of the box. Remove the install guide and power cord. Pull the packing and printer out of the box. Remove the foam from the top of the printer. Then, remove the plastic bag that contains the product safety guide and software CD. Remove the tape from the front and back of the printer. Remove the film covering the control panel. Pull the red tab while opening the front door of the printer. Continue pulling the tab to remove the red toner cartridge shield. Open the front door until you hear a click. Using the green handle, pull the imaging unit out of the printer. Pull the red tab to remove the plastic shield on each cartridge. Insert the imaging unit into the printer and close the door. Remove the paper tray. Fan the paper and ensure the paper edges align. Place the paper against the front of the tray guide. Adjust the paper guides to the correct paper position. Insert the paper tray into the printer and close the tray. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer, then plug the power cord into a properly grounded electrical outlet. The unpacking of the C230 printer is complete. The Xerox C230 color printer Power On and Wi-Fi setup video shows how to power on the C230 printer and set up Wi-Fi.